Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to capture your curriculum using your camera and how to use your gallery to raise standards in your school. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk to our teachers really about how we can raise standards and how we can, as subject leaders and aspect leaders, how we can capture the best practice for our subject or aspect in our schools. So if all of our leaders, when they take a learning walk or a book study, can be wired to capture all of the best practice, that's really going to help us to be able to share best practice across the school. So as far as taking the pictures and collecting the snapshots is concerned, that's very simple. When we take part in a learning walk or a book study, as we are performing our book study at the same time, this is the great thing, this is not an additional job. What we want to be doing is we want to be taking a photograph. So whenever we perform a learning walk, what we're going to be doing is capturing all of the best examples of practice across the school. So here you can see we're taking a photograph, and we're taking a photograph of a book study, taking a shot of a really nice little piece of work. We may also be taking shots as well of the work around us, so walls, working walls, displays and everything else, and we're tagging it. So we can add tags, we can create our own tags, or we can use the national curriculum tags, year group tags and so on. That just helps us to refine our searches in the gallery, and obviously a little bit of commentary from our leader to say why this is a really great example. As we are taking these photographs, what we're doing is we are populating our gallery, which is communal, so everybody can access this, and we are enabling all of our staff to see all of the great practice across the school. And for you as a subject leader, you're able then to be able to promote the best practice and share it as well, because it's very difficult for staff to know how other people do things. Great as well for sharing with governors or with inspectors or any external parties to be able to demonstrate what your curriculum looks like and to quality assure. Now here we can use the tags as well. So if I want to then use the tags that have been added, so for my art lead, then I can start to see what the artwork looks like across the school. I could also add more tags for repeating patterns or other aspects of the curriculum, year groups, SEND, etc. You get the idea, and then I can open up each of these and share them so that we can take a little look and consider and discuss what makes this great practice. So fantastic for sharing best practice, for raising standards, and for a little bit of inspiration when staff just need to dip in and get a bit of an idea about how they can do something.